Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start the revision of chapter number 6, decimals. So, open page number 86, exercise 6A. My first question is, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Expanded means open. So 21 decimal 1097. Anyone who want to reply this, raise your hand. How can you write this number in term of expanded? Yes. Raiman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Raiman.
Ma'am, first we will write 20 plus 1.
First we will write 20 plus
Plus
1.
1
Then
plus
plus
1 over 10
1 over 10
plus 0 over 100
plus 0 over 100
plus 9 over 1000
9 over 1000
plus 7 over 10,000.
plus 7 over 10,000. Raman, tell me, why are you writing like this? 1 over 10?
Ma'am, because it's the decimal place.
Very good. Because of this is the decimal place, and in decimal place, we will not write multiplication 10. Fine? We will write division by 10. Very good. And this is not compulsion. You can also write it as, we have three forms. One is decimal form, fractional form. This is fractional form. What is the name of this form? This form is known as fractional form. बेटा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है, आपने ऐसे लिखना है. आप इसको प्लेस वैल्यू फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हो. फाइन. जैसे इसको 21, then 1/10, 0 hundreds, 9 thousands, 7 10,000s, or like this decimal form. Decimal form. There will be no hard and fast rule. Decimal form में 20 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus this is 0 plus this is third place after the decimal. This is 0 0 then 9. 0 0 9. Again this is 0 decimal 1 2 3 means 3 zeros 1 2 3 और ये 7. तो योर विश, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. अभी आपने वैसे ये इजी फॉर्म, ये सबसे इजी मेथड है. दिस मेथड इज द इजी मेथड. ये वाला ये सबसे इजी वाला मेथड है. बट कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. अभी मैंने बोला है ऐसे लिखना है तो ऐसे ही लिखना है. अगर आपने इसको डेसिमल फॉर्म में लिखना है तो यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो इन डेसिमल फॉर्म लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट वन इज सेम. दिस इज 20 plus 1, then 1 immediately after the decimal. So 0 decimal 1. Then this is 0. So write 0 plus. This is after decimal 1 2. So first of all you will write two zeros. 1 2 then 9. Then this is after the decimal after 3 digits. 1 2 3. So first of all you will write 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Then you will write 7. And the name of this form is decimal form. तो आपकी मर्जी है, जैसे मर्जी लिखो, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. फाइन. Now come to the next. Next we have 0 decimal 91 0.835, 0.951. Kaushalinder,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the definition of.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me the definition of like decimals.
Ma'am, like decimals are decimals which places are same.
In which we have places.
Decimal places are same.
Yes, tell me. These are like decimals.
Ma'am, no.
What is the reason?
Ma'am, these are unlike decimals.
What is the reason? Why?
Ma'am, because 0.9.
0.9.
Ma'am, because in ma'am, though may.
This is with 2 decimal places. And this is with
Yes, ma'am.
how many?
3 decimal places.
Very good. 3 decimal places. And this is with
3 decimal places.
yes, 3 decimal places. Decimal places means after the decimal count the places. Look, this is decimal now. Always count on the right hand side. So now count on the right hand side. On the right hand side we have 1, 2. It means 2 decimal places. Here on the right hand side we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal places. Similarly, come here. This is decimal 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 different decimal places. It means these are unlike decimal. Fine. Now, Kaushalinder, tell me, how can you change this to like?
Ma'am, to change this to like, we will add a 0 at the last of 0.91.
वेरी गुड बेटा, हमने वहां पे 0 ऐड करना है जहां पे आपकी काउंटिंग लेस है. ये देखो, ये दोनों 3 3 है, 3 3. यहाँ पे 2 है. सो टू मेक इट 3, 0.910. Now check the counting. 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal places. Now these are like decimals. 0.910, 0.835 and 0.951. Check. This is decimal 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And always add 0 on the right of decimal. यहाँ पे बेटा मत कर देना. Don't write like this. 0.091. ये wrong हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं करना. All the students listen to me very very carefully. कुछ students क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे 0 लिख देते हैं. ये मैंने बहुत बार ऑब्जर्व किया है. फाइन. तो यहाँ पे नहीं करना आपने कुछ भी. जो भी करना है आपने एंड में करना है. एंड में. तो दिस इज 0 डेसिमल. 0 डेसिमल पहले इसको लिखो 91. अब यहाँ पे एंड में 0 लगाओ. तो इन बिटवीन बीच में आपने कुछ एडअप नहीं करना. जो भी एडअप करना है एड इन द एंड. फाइन. वेरी गुड कौशलिंदर. वेरी गुड. Now come to the next question. Because the knowledge of like decimals is very compulsory during addition and subtraction. Fine. My next question is 23.085. This is my next question. This is a decimal number. The question is to convert into fraction. Adnan.
Ma'am, first we will write 23.085.
First of all, we will write 23. Yes, 085. Then
Ma'am, and now because there are 3 decimal places, we will write 30 in the bottom and 1.
Very good.
1000.
Yes. Check the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means in the denominator we will write 3 zeros along with 1. अकेली zeros ही मत लिख देना बेटा, ठीक है? अदनान आपको नहीं मैं बोल रही, ठीक है?
Ma'am.
Students, listen very carefully. Don't write zeros only. Write zeros along with 1. This 1 is very important. So this is the way to write decimal number in terms of fraction. And once again I am repeating, always count the right hand part of the decimal. Don't check the left hand part. Whenever you will make any modification, always check the right hand side, because here we have decimal system. On the left hand side we have Indian system. Here you will apply the decimal system. So जब भी आपने कोई भी modification करनी है decimal में या fraction में, always move according to the right hand side of decimal. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 along with 1. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Well done. Now the next is convert into decimal. This is question, and the question is, this is fraction. Numerator, denominator. Fraction is given to you, and my question is, write in terms of decimal. Now my question is for Arav. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arav, tell me, how can you write this in terms of decimal?
Ma'am, there are 2 zeros after 1.
Yes.
So we will put a decimal before 4.
So this is very.
15.43.
Now tell me what
With
about this,
answer.
beta? Yes, wait. 1543 divided by 1000. Now tell me, what about this?
Ma'am, there are 3 zeros. So we will put a decimal after 1.
After
Or before.
before 5. Before
three.
5 or after 1. So 1 decimal 5
.543.
अच्छा बेटा ऐसा क्यों नहीं लिखा हमने? Tell me, what is the reason?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Why this is correct and this is incorrect? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because there are 3 zeros in 1000, and we have to put before the 3 digits.
Yes.
Decimal before the 3
and
digits.
we always start our counting from the right hand side, because अगर हम ऐसे
right hand side.
हाँ जी, because अगर हम ऐसे लिखते हैं तो it means हमने counting
Wrong हो जाएगा.
हाँ जी, हमने it means counting कहाँ से start की? left hand side से. और मैंने आपको हमेशा क्या बोला है? In case of decimal, always do the modification from the right hand side. Well done, beta. Arav.
Yes.
This is the right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. So start counting digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, and here you will put the decimal. So 3, 4. 1 decimal 543. This is not 543. This is 1 decimal 543. Because in decimal system we will not assign the name according to the Indian system. तो अगर मैं इसका नेम पूछती हूँ तो आप अगर लिखोगे 1.5 543. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. So what is the name? The name is one decimal, one point or decimal, write anything. 1.543. So this thing is very important. Well done, Arav. Now come to the next question. Next we have add 91.4 56 84.72. This is my question. 91.4. This is 56 84.72. Hriday Preet Kaur, beta unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, beta, how can we add these three decimal numbers?
Ma'am, first we write 91.40.
First of all, we will write 91.40. Then,
Ma'am, then 56 in the right side of decimal.
56 in the right side of decimal here.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the left side 00.
Now wait. Students, this is correct. According to Hriday Preet, this is 00.56. Is this is correct form? Wait, Hriday Preet, fine. Listen very carefully the explanation. Fine? Okay, Hriday Preet? Harshika.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा अभी हृदय प्रीत ने बोला अभी 56 can be written as 0 decimal like this. This is correct?
No, ma'am.
Then tell me the correct form.
Ma'am, it would be 56.00.
Yes. So Hriday Preet beta listen very carefully. 56 without decimal. तो मैंने आपको क्या बोला था, whenever you will make any modification, make each and every modification on the right hand side. आपने तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे मॉडिफिकेशन कर दी है, देखो ये आपका 56 है, आपने डेसिमल किस साइड पुट कर दिया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. सो 56 एनी नंबर इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1, then 1 can be written as 1.0. This is very important. नहीं तो आपका एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. If I am talking about 23, then 23 is written as 23.0. हमने बेटा उसकी वैल्यू नहीं चेंज करनी, we make modification only. तो to make modification पहले अपना नंबर लिखो, ठीक है, पहले अपना नंबर लिखो, फिर मॉडिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं हम डेसिमल में, तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगाओ, फिर यहाँ पे 0 लगाओ. अगर आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो 00.56 डेसिमल ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड डेसिमल. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे डेसिमल हमें कब मिलते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिवीजन. यहां तो डिवीजन हो ही नहीं रही. स्टूडेंट्स कीप इन योर माइंड, जब भी आपको लेफ्ट साइड पे डेसिमल मिल रहा है, नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड पे, इट मींस डिवीजन हुई है, यहाँ पे हमने डिवीजन नहीं करनी, हमने इसको रीराइट करना है इन टर्म ऑफ डेसिमल। तो किसी भी नंबर को रीराइट करने के लिए डेसिमल में सबसे पहले आपने वो नंबर लिखना है, सबसे पहले ये नंबर लिखना है 56, देन यहाँ पे डेसिमल, यहाँ पे जीरो, जितने मर्जी जीरो लगाओ, क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ मॉडिफिकेशन की है इन टर्म ऑफ डेसिमल। सो लाइक दिस वी विल राइट। होप हृदयप्रीत द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू। 91 decimal 4, 56 decimal 0, then 84 decimal 72, and these two vacant positions are filled by 0. So write 0 here. And in exam, show this addition in fair. This is your fair work. So like this, this is 2, this is 11, again 12, this is 23. So 232 decimal 12 is the result. In the result, you will write 232 decimal 12. Fine, like this we will solve the sum. Fine. Hridepreet, raise your hand. Yes, Hridepreet, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Now beta tell me, next question मेरा आपके लिए है, ठीक है? Now tell me, how can you add this? 65 and 48 decimal 72. Tell me.
मैम पहले हम 60 लिखेंगे।
हाँ जी, पहले हम 60, पहले मॉडिफिकेशन कर लिया है, पहले हम 60 लिखेंगे।
मैम 0.0।
वेरी गुड, 0.0, ठीक है, देन कॉमा, बाकी 0 लिखते रहेंगे हम। व्हाट अबाउट दिस 5?
5.0।
Very good. This 5 is written as 5.0 and this is already in decimal. ये तो है ही decimal में, तो 48 decimal 72. Fine. Now write. So this is 60 decimal 0, then decimal. Decimals in the same column. This is 5, then 0 again. This is 72 and from this side 48. What about these vacant positions? 1, 2, 3. Now vacant positions are filled by,
मैम 0।
yes, 0.
0।
So this is 2, this is 7, 8 plus 5, 13. So this is 11.
13।
Okay, now the concept is clear to you beta. Very good. Because
ma'am.
बेटा इसकी नॉलेज बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आपको यही नहीं पता होगा हमने डेसिमल कहाँ लगाना है, तो आपकी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन सभी रॉन्ग हो जाएगी। तो दिस थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जब भी कोई नंबर विदाउट डेसिमल है और हमने उसमें मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है डेसिमल में, तो सबसे पहले आपने उस नंबर को लिखना है, फिर डेसिमल लगा के 0 लिख देना है। फाइन। Now, my next question is,
Okay, ma'am.
now my question is, next is, add, find the sum. Sum means add. 800 kilogram, 450 gram plus 50 kilogram, 850 gram, then 1071 kilogram, 870 gram. This is my question. So this is 800 kilogram. Rachit, how can we solve this?
मैम मैम हमने पहले 8 मैम हमने ऐसा ही लिखना है सेम
नहीं
मैम 800 kg
800 kg
450 gram
450 gram. Yes.
050 kg
This is 50. Yes, kilogram.
850 grams
850 gram. And next we have
1071
yes, kilogram, or
kg
here we have 870 grams.
grams.
Rachit, beta, show me your face. Now tell me, how can we add this?
मैम पहले हम ग्राम से शुरू करेंगे
Yes.
मैम पहले 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0.
First of all, gram. So you will write here gram. Fine. Gram, gram, gram. So first of all, write gram here. Yes. So 0, 0, 0. Here you will write 0. What about next?
मैम 17 5 plus 5 10 plus 7 17.
Yes. 17. Yes. What about next?
मैम 8 plus 8 16 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 20 plus 1 is equal to 21.
Very good. 21, 1. So 2 carry over here. And here what you will write here? Rachit, what
Ma'am.
will you write here?
Ma'am 2 plus 1 3.
First of all, you will write here kilogram. Whenever you will write 170 after the addition of gram part, first of all you will write here kilogram. नहीं तो रचित बेटा कभी कभी एग्जाम में इतना बड़ा पेपर होता है हम भूल जाते हैं लिखना. फाइन. तो सबसे पहले जो आपको दिख रहा है उसको लिखो. Here gram. So first of all write gram. Then after the addition of this column, the next column is of kilogram. So immediately write down kilogram. Fine. Then move to the next. Then 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Next 5 plus 7 will give you 12.
12.
8 plus 1 will give you 9. And this is 1. And students, this addition in fair is very much compulsory. और बेटा ये जो मैंने कैरी किए हैं ऊपर ये मुझे दिखने चाहिए पेपर में. Then you will get full marks. लास्ट एग्जाम्स में इन हाफ ईयरली स्टूडेंट्स ने ऐड करके आंसर लिख दिए. ना यहाँ पे कोई कैरी है ना कोई बोरो है. और लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने मार्क्स नहीं दिए थे. इस बार भी मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे अगर यहाँ आपके कैरी और बोरो शो नहीं होंगे तो. सो कैरी बोरो इन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी हैव बोरो नाउ. सो दीज आर कंपल्सरी टू राइट. Compulsory to write. Fine. Then this is 19. This is kilogram and gram. Again very much compulsory to write. Very much compulsory to write kilogram and gram. If any unit is given, then write unit along with the number. This is 800 kilogram, so write 800 kilogram. Don't write like this, 800 450. This is wrong. 800 kilogram, so write 800 kilogram. 450 grams, so write 450 grams. So if any unit is given, then you have to mention that unit. Very much compulsory. Well done. Now the next question is, beta wait, I am going to take your attendance. Wait for 1 minute. Lavnoor, raise your hand. My next question is for you. The question is to subtract Lavnoor on your video and yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. On your video? Yes. Your video is off. On your video, show me your face. Yes, good.
Yeah.
Now, my next question is subtract .14.83 from 70. Tell me, how can you subtract? .14.83 from 70.
70.00.
First of all, we will write this in term of decimal, and this is 70.00. Yes. Then what about next? हाँ जी बेटा बोलो, नेक्स्ट क्या लिखेंगे हम?
नीचे 14.83.
70.00, and below this we will write 14.83, and here minus sign is very much compulsory. If the sum is based on addition, then here the addition symbol is compulsory. If the sum is based on subtraction, then the subtraction symbol is compulsory. Then what about next, Lavnu?
फिर अब माइनस करेंगे.
कैसे करेंगे? All are zero. कहाँ से borrow होगा?
7 से.
7 से borrow होगा. 7 से सबसे पहले कौन borrow करेगा? ये वाला जीरो, ये जो उसके पास बैठा वो वाला जीरो. Tell me. कौन करेगा बेटा बोरो? 7 से बोरो करेगा ये वाला जीरो या जो इसके नियर बाय है ये वाला जीरो?
नियर बाय है.
तो नियर बाय है, ये नियर बाय है. फाइन. एंड 7 will change to 6 and this 0 will change to 10. What about next? Next, again this will change to 10 and this 10 will change to 9. Next, this will change to 9 and this and the number will change to 10. So like this. So बेटा कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, डायरेक्ट इसको 9 9 लिख देते हैं like this. वो भी सही है. ओके, अगर आपको पता है, प्रैक्टिस हो गई आपकी इतनी, आपको पता है भी यहाँ से हमारा बोरो होना है, तो अगर आपने इसको डायरेक्ट 9 लिखना है तो डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो, फाइन. सो दिस इज 7, दिस इज 1, this is 5 and this is 5. So 55 decimal. Lavnoor, this is 55 decimal.
17.
17. Yes, not 17. So this is 55 decimal 17. Very good. So next is my next question is subtract 89 decimal 435 liter from 100 liter. Nishtha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nishtha. Tell me, how can we solve this sum? 89 decimal 435 liter from 100 liter.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, we will change 100.
Yes, very good. We will change.
0.00.
Now tell me, how can you write this in term of decimal?
100.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1.
Which is correct? Tell me. First one is correct or second is correct? Which is correct? 0 decimal 100 is correct or 100.0 is correct? Nishtha beta, write down your result
Ma'am,
in
second
the
one.
first one or second one? Your voice is not coming, beta.
Ma'am, second one. Second.
Yes. Very good. Second one is correct. So first of all, we will modify. So this is 100 decimal 0. Yes. So this is 100 decimal 0, or this is 89 decimal 435. Nisha, what about these vacant positions? 1, 2, 3.
They are filled by zeros.
Yes, vacant positions are filled by zeros. And this thing is sufficient. ये जो मैंने अभी यहाँ पे लिखा है, ये sufficient है कि मैंने कुछ मिस किया है?
Ma'am, liter.
Very good. Yes, you have to write liter. This is very much compulsory because liter is given in the question, so you have to write liter. This is very much compulsory. Well done. So next, now look here. This will change to 10 and rest all will change to 9. अभी मैंने explain किया था ना? And this
Yes,
will
ma'am.
change to 0. Yes. ये extreme right पे जो number है, this will change to 10. In between सारे zeros change to 9 और ये number भी reduce हो जाएगा. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5 along with liter here. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Then decimal. 9 minus 9 will give you 0. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. So 10 decimal 565 liter is your result.